In a world where technology continues to push the boundaries of human innovation, there exists a device that sounds like it belongs in a science fiction novel, a machine that can wash humans. But this isn't fiction, and the story begins over half a century ago, in a country that would become synonymous with technological innovation. The year was 1970. The world was watching as Japan hosted its first World Exposition in Osaka. Among the many groundbreaking innovations unveiled at this historic event, one invention stood out: Sanyo Electric Company's revolutionary human washing machine. This wasn't just another gadget, it was a bold statement about the future of personal hygiene. The original prototype, known as the ultrasonic bath, was a testament to Japanese engineering. While it might seem basic by today's standards, with its focus purely on mechanical cleaning, it represented something much more significant. It was the physical manifestation of humanity's dreams about the future of personal care technology. For decades, the concept of a human washing machine remained largely dormant, existing primarily in the realm of retrofuturism. But as we entered the age of artificial intelligence and smart technology, something remarkable began to take shape. Japanese engineers and scientists didn't just revive the old concept, they reimagined it entirely. Science Co., a prominent Japanese showerhead company, took up the mantle of innovation. Their creation, the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki, Japanese for future human washing machine. But this isn't just a simple update of the 1970s model. This is a complete reimagining of what personal hygiene technology can achieve. The modern Mirai Ningen Sentakuki is a masterpiece of engineering that completes its entire cleaning cycle in just 15 minutes. But what happens in those 15 minutes is nothing short of extraordinary. When a user enters the pod-like chamber, they're greeted by a sophisticated system that's more reminiscent of a medical device than a washing machine. The process begins with advanced sensor arrays embedded in the specially designed seat. These sensors continuously monitor vital signs, including pulse rate and body temperature. This real-time data feeds into the machine's artificial intelligence system, which uses deep learning algorithms and convolutional neural networks to analyze not just physical states, but emotional ones as well. The cleaning process itself employs cutting-edge ultrafine bubble technology, a sustainable solution that maximizes cleaning efficiency while minimizing water usage. This isn't just about getting clean, it's about revolutionizing the entire concept of personal hygiene. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki is its emotional analysis system. Using a sophisticated array of sensors and AI algorithms, the machine creates a complete probe of the user's emotional state. It analyzes everything from facial expressions to voice intonation, creating a multimodal understanding of the user's psychological condition. The system's response isn't just predetermined, it's adaptive. If it detects stress, it might adjust the water temperature or project soothing visualizations on its transparent canopy. The machine learns from each interaction, continuously refining its ability to provide personalized experiences through its adaptive learning algorithms. In a poetic full-circle moment, the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki will make its public debut at the 2025 Osaka Kansai World Expo, 55 years after its predecessor was first introduced. Science Co. has announced ambitious plans to accommodate approximately 1,000 visitors daily during the expo, allowing them to experience this revolutionary technology firsthand. The implications of this technology extend far beyond the expo. In March 2024, we saw Samsung introduce their AI EcoBubble washing machine, boasting impressive statistics of 70% energy savings and 45.5% better fabric care. This demonstrates how the industry is already moving toward more intelligent, efficient cleaning solutions. The applications for the human washing machine technology are vast. Healthcare facilities could use it to provide more efficient and dignified care for patients. Wellness centers could integrate it into their therapeutic offerings. And perhaps most intriguingly, this technology could eventually find its way into our homes, transforming our daily hygiene routines forever. Half a century ago, visitors at the 1970 Osaka Expo gazed in wonder at Sanyo's mechanical human washing pod. Now, as we approach the 2025 Expo, That simple concept has transformed into the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki, an AI-powered marvel that doesn't just cleanse your body, but nurtures your well-being. In this remarkable evolution from basic automation to emotional intelligence, we see more than just technological progress. We see the powerful truth that humanity's boldest dreams have a way of becoming reality. What are your thoughts on this remarkable evolution in personal care technology? Would you trust an AI-powered machine to handle your daily cleaning routine? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories about the technology that's shaping our future.